Daniel, real quick, my friend said she'd take a rain check, and then she literally disappeared right
Ah, RainCheck.
What does that even mean?
Oh, Sophia, welcome to American English.
Wait, why are you smiling like that?
Because this little phrase either saves a friendship or ends it. Stick around.
English over coffee. Take a sip. Come talk with me. Learn a little every day. Stay a while and feel carefree.
Hey, Soph. The usual?
Please, cappuccino, extra foam.
Coming up.
It's quiet today.
Yeah, slow morning. I like it.
Me too. So, what did you mean? About a rain check?
Oh, when someone says, I'll take a rain check, they mean they can't make it now, but they want to do it another time.
Like postponing?
Exactly. But there's something nice about it. It's not a no. It's a not today, but soon.
A polite postponement.
Yes. And it leaves the door open.
I like that.
Most people don't want to say no, so they take a rain check.
But what if I never reschedule?
Then it becomes a soft no.
Oh,
A polite way to never see someone again.
that's so American.
A little bit, yeah.
That's a nice expression. Where does it come from?
Baseball. If a game got rained out, fans would get a ticket, a rain check to come back another day.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah, now we use it for everything. Coffee, dinner, plans,
Anything.
almost. You probably wouldn't use it for a wedding
Probably not.
or a job interview.
Definitely not.
But for casual things, coffee, drinks, lunch, it's perfect.
So if I say no to your cafe, I take a rain check?
You'd never say no to my cafe.
Fair point.
Try it. How would you use it?
Hey Daniel, can I take a rain check on our walk tomorrow? I have to work late.
Perfect.
And then what do you say?
You say, sure, sounds good. How about Saturday?
Oh, so you offer a new day.
Right, that's the polite part. You're not just canceling, you're rescheduling.
It keeps the plan alive.
Exactly.
I like that.
There are a few different ways to say it.
Tell me.
You can say, can I take a rain check? That's asking permission.
Polite.
Or, I'll have to take a rain check. That's more apologetic.
Like, I really wanted to come, but I can't.
Right.
What else?
Let's take a rain check on that. Softer. Like you're saying, let's do this another day.
And I'll take a rain check?
That's the most casual. Direct, but kind.
4 ways to say the same thing.
Welcome to English.
I love it. Are there mistakes people make?
A few. The most common, saying rain checks with an S when you only mean one.
I would do that.
Most people would. In English, it's a rain check, singular.
Got it. What else?
Using it in formal situations. You wouldn't tell your boss, I'll take a rain check on the meeting.
What do you say instead?
Can we reschedule?
Ah, more formal.
Right. Rain check is for friends, casual plans, easy moments.
And tone matters.
Tone always matters. Let's try a small scene.
Okay.
Pretend you call me. You want to invite me to dinner. I can't go.
Okay. Hey, Daniel, want to grab dinner Friday night?
Hey, Soph, I'd love to, but I have to close the cafe late on Friday. Can I take a rain check?
Of course. How about Sunday?
Sunday sounds great.
It feels so natural.
That's the magic. You don't feel rejected, you feel invited again.
That's the difference.
A small phrase, a big feeling.
If you're learning English, try this with a friend today. Tell them, let's grab coffee on Saturday. Or if you can't make it, can I take a rain check?
Just one phrase. See how it feels.
Small steps, big difference.
And don't worry about being perfect.
Just be polite.
That's already half the work.
You know, My grandfather used to say something similar. Another day. Just like that.
That's nice.
He never really said no. He'd just say, another day. And somehow, that day always came.
Sounds like a good man.
He was. He'd love this place.
Bring him next time.
He's not around anymore. But I think about him here. The morning light, the smell of coffee.
Then he is around. In a way.
Yeah, maybe.
I have someone like that too.
Yeah?
My uncle. He used to bring me here when I was little. We'd sit by the window. He'd order black coffee, I'd get hot chocolate.
That's why you bought this place.
Maybe. I didn't really think about it that way, but yeah, maybe.
Did he take rain checks?
All the time. He had a way of saying next time. Always next time.
And did next time come?
Usually, he kept his word.
That's rare.
Yeah, it is.
It's funny. Two of us, two memories, same window.
Maybe that's what coffee is for.
Maybe.
Hey, before you go,
If you learned something new today, leave us a comment in English. Tell us about a time you took a rain check, or one you should have.
like, subscribe, share with a friend who's learning English.
And next week, how to actually make those plans. Let's grab coffee, but how do you say it like a native?
See you next Sunday.
See you next Sunday.
Learn a little every day. Stay a while and feel